How to use ChatGPT for writing essays. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to use ChatGPT for writing essay. Using ChatGPT for essay writing is most effective when treated as a collaborative assistant rather than ghostwriter. What you want to do is first thing first, open your browser, type in ChatGPT on the web address bar, and then log into your account. So you want to start by using ChatGPT to explore your topic and narrow your focus. So provide a general assignment topic and ask for 3 to 5 specific research question or thesis statement option as well. And tell ChatGPT to act as a university professor or expert research to ensure the tone of its suggestion is academically appropriate as well. And ask for a list of key component historical figures or critical theories related to your topic to guide your independent research as well. Now, a strong outline ensures your essay has a logic flow. So you want to draft the structure. Ask for an outline with a specific heading, introduction, 3 body paragraph, and a conclusion. You will prompt the AI to suggest word counts for each section based on your total limit. Create an outline for 1,500 word essay with suggested word customs for each part as well. If a particular section feels weak, ask ChatGPT to rewrite just that heading or suggest a different angle for a specific paragraph as well. So this way you'll be able to use ChatGPT for writing essays. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.